touchdown.
Look at the other one. Look at the other one.
Oh yeah, it's coming. It's coming.
I want to touch it. I just want to poke it.
I know that's what I'm saying.
Are you on Facebook Live?
No, I'm just filming it and posting it. It's just like beautiful, Loki.
Yeah.
Mother Nature. I want to put it in fast motion a bit.
Look at that one. Oh, Maddie, play it.
Okay. There's another one coming. This one is about to touch down. We're literally getting out of here. It's just formed right in front of us.
So crazy.
And now,
Play it.
Yes,
alright,
please.
that one is now
Dude, oh my
touching
God.
down.
Drop mom off at the yacht club. That's free.
That is crazy.
Go!
No, we're not going close.